Hi guys, this is Seb from Carlist.my. Today we are in the middle of KL to witness the launch of the all-new Maserati model, the Grecale. So we have taken a look at the luxury SUV and these are the 5 things that we like about it. Check it out. The latest Maserati Grecale comes in 3 different variants. You have the GT, you have the Moderna, and then you have this, the range topping Trofeo. So no matter what budget you have, there's probably a Grecale just for you, if you have a lot of money in your pocket, of course. Another thing that we like about the Grecale is the exterior design. Now, it's heavily inspired by the Maserati MC20 supercar, and especially its front end. Just look at this concave grille, it's like super sexy, bro. Alright, so this is the Trofeo, and what you're looking at is a 3-litre twin turbocharged V6 engine which produces 530 horsepower. Now, this is actually a same unit that you can find in the MC20 but has been revised just for the Grecale. But if you want to save money on road tax, you can also get the Moderna or the GT. That one comes with a 2-litre 4-cylinder engine which produces 300 horsepower and 330 horsepower respectively. The Grecale might look like a modern-day city-dwelling beauty with its digital clock and huge screens, but you can actually do a bit of off-roading in the Grecale. It has 4 different driving modes. You have Comfort, GT, Sport, and Off-road. And since we are in the Trofeo, it has 1 extra mode called Corsa. Now, this is for those who want to have some fun in the track. Alright, so when you get the Grecale, you will get the very premium Sonus Faber multi-dimensional sound system. Now, this is good quality stuff all the way from Italy, and if you get either the GT or the Moderna, you will get a total of 14 speakers. If you get the Trofeo, you will get 21 speakers. Alright, that's it from me when it comes to the Maserati Grecale Premium SUV. To know more, head over to Carlist.my and I'll see you again in the next video. Ciao!